Hi guys, my name is Lydia and today I want to talk about our very own Jumia. Yeah, so I'm assuming if you're in Kenya you already know what Jumia is, or maybe you don't or maybe you don't understand how it works, but then you already know what Jumia is, or Jumia app, or Jumia Kenya. So first of all, Jumia is a marketplace that links buyers to sellers. So first of all, this is not a paid advert, obviously, and I'm not a Jumia agent, so I'm just sharing this information out there like I've been doing with my other videos on AliExpress, Alibaba, and all that. So I'm talking about our very own Jumia Kenya. So first of all, if you want to shop on Jumia, you need to download the Jumia app. And even if you don't have the Jumia app, just go on Google and type in Jumia, yeah, and then go to the website, go to the Jumia Kenya website. Yeah, I haven't shopped on Jumia, stick around because I'll be talking about the various steps you need to take while shopping on Jumia. Yeah, so first of all, if you don't have the Jumia app, you need to download the Jumia app off of Google Play Store or whatever Play Store you have. Download the Jumia app, and then if you don't have a phone that can access an app, what you need to do is to go to the Jumia Kenya website. Yeah, and then on the search bar, look for the product you're looking for. Like on the search bar, type in the product you're looking for. Let's say you're looking for phone covers, type in a phone cover, or just type in phone cover for this and type in the exact thing you need. If you're looking for, say, a hair product, say you're looking for spring twists or whatever, just type in spring twists. Yeah, so a list of items related to your search will appear. Yeah, I'm just talking about Jumia Kenya, like I've been talking about AliExpress, Alibaba, Amazon, and all those things I've been talking about. So this is me teaching you how to shop on Jumia Kenya. Yeah, so once you've typed on the search bar the item you're looking for, say you're looking for a phone cover or a phone accessory or a pet accessory, whatever thing you're looking for, type its name on the search bar. Yeah, items related to your search will appear. Yeah, and then from that, the good thing about Jumia Kenya is most of these people are local, so there are very rare cases in which you can be robbed. The only thing I've seen is sometimes what you order, like what you see online, is different from what you receive. So, and the good thing about, you don't have to pay on order. You can pay when they deliver, like when you pick up the item from their their pickup points, you can pay then. So that way the problem of what you order being different from what you receive is a bit curbed. So when you go picking your item, okay, we'll get to that. So once you search your item, then you select the exact item that you need, go to where to place your order, add the item to your cart, and then buy. Yeah, and then you'll be taken to the page where you need to enter the billing information. So in that case, you'll have to enter your location. Say you're in Eldoret, you'll have to enter Eldoret, and then you'll choose your preferred pickup point, the exact point because in some towns there are more than one pickup point. So you'll choose the exact pickup point you want to go with. You'll enter that information, and then you'll also be asked to enter your preferred payment method. There's cash, pay on order, or pay on delivery. And then you'll be given, once you've made your order and you've entered your billing information, you'll be given the pay bill number for Jumia Kenya. You'll be given the pay bill number for Jumia Kenya, and then you'll make your payment. That means your order is processing, and then after, mostly in 3 days, normally in 3 days your item would have been delivered. And then once your item is delivered, please give a review. I haven't been talking about this as much as I should, but when you order something online, please just spare 2 seconds to give a review. That way you're helping the next person who will be ordering on the same site. Yeah, it also gives another person insight into like knowing whether to order it or not. If you have a complaint, please just put it there. Yeah, give that review there, like just give the review so that the next person who wants to buy the same item, or the next person who wants to deal with that marketplace, should know. Yeah, just the same way you use unlike Jumia, other sites I've been talking about, other marketplaces like AliExpress, Alibaba, people depend on reviews because it's not something local. Yeah, so I'm just urging you, like, it's not a must, this is not paid for, like I said, this is just something I'm telling you. It's important that you leave a review when you work with a vendor. Just leave a review so that the next person who's buying that item knows what exactly they're dealing with, and give a legit review. Yeah, give a legit review of that item. Yeah, because even you, like when you're ordering something, someone else's review goes a long way in informing you whether to go with that item or not to. Yeah, so always remember to give a review when you buy something online, not necessarily at a marketplace, but even on Facebook. If you buy from a Facebook page, please leave a review so that the next person who's buying from that person knows exactly who they're dealing with. Yeah. Okay, the thing I like about Jumia is that it has so many pickup locations all over the country. You can buy an item even if you are like somewhere remote in up country or wherever. You are able to get your item. It's able to be shipped up to the nearest pickup location to where you are. And then the second thing I love about Jumia is that Jumia, you don't have to pay on order. You can pay on delivery. Like once you're contented that the item you received is similar to what you ordered, you're able to like make payment then. That means you're certifying that whatever you're receiving is exactly what you ordered. And then another thing I love about Jumia is that initially it was not there, but in the recent times they've insisted that every vendor has to be located in Nairobi. That way they're able to supervise, they're able to like do a check on that vendor. So it has led to a reduction in the number of people, in the number of con people, like traders that are not legit, and also brokers from being on the marketplace. So be confident when ordering something on Jumia. Personally, I've bought several items on Jumia, and I plan to do the same. So if you're interested, if you want to buy online, I'd recommend Jumia. So you can always. Thank you very much for watching this video on Jumia. Share with your friends. Please subscribe so that you can do more videos that are of quality. I'll also stick around. I'll be giving tips on how to do your online shopping, among other things. That will be all. Thank you very much.